I tried Coincheck wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Coincheck wallet app, I was curious. It's one of Japan's most popular crypto platforms, but how does it actually perform? After using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Coincheck delivers a surprisingly smooth and secure experience, but it's not for everyone. On day 1, setup was straightforward. I verified my account in minutes, which is rare for an exchange-based wallet. Coincheck combines a user-friendly interface with tight security, two-factor authentication, cold storage, and regulated oversight by Japan's Financial Services Agency. That alone gave me peace of mind. By day 2, I started exploring the assets. Coincheck supports over 20 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several Japanese favorites like NIM and LISC. Buying and selling were fast and simple. A few taps and transactions were confirmed almost instantly. By day 4, I tried the recurring buy feature, which automatically invests a fixed amount in crypto every month. It's a great tool for dollar cost averaging, especially for beginners who want to invest steadily without worrying about timing the market. Midweek, I checked out the staking and lending features. You can lend your crypto and earn passive income while keeping your funds on the platform. It's an attractive option, though you're trusting Coincheck's custody system. By the end of my 7-day test, the truth became clear. Coincheck is designed for accessibility, not hardcore diffy users. It's clean, compliant, and easy to use, ideal for those who want a reliable bridge between traditional banking and crypto investing. The shocking truth: Coincheck proves that simplicity and regulation don't have to kill innovation. It's one of the few exchanges where convenience and compliance actually work together. If you're in Japan or looking for a trustworthy platform that balances safety and usability, Coincheck is a solid choice. It's not the most advanced wallet, but it's one of the most dependable ones out there.